These 3 legitimate apps can help you earn over $100 in just 24 hours. And the best part is that they're completely free to use. If you like the sound of that, give this video a thumbs up and let's jump right in with the first website, listverse.com. Listverse is a platform where users can share blog articles, stories, facts, and other types of content, especially bizarre and unusual topics. As you browse their site, you'll find various quirky and intriguing articles. However, what makes this site particularly interesting is that they pay you to write. But don't worry, you don't need to write the content yourself. I will show you how you can get it done easily, so stay tuned until the end. To get started, click on the More section at the top of the Listverse site and you will see an option to write and get paid. Once there, you will find that you can earn $100 for submitting an article that gets accepted. You don't need to be an expert. All you need is to be fluent in English and a good sense of humor. Also, an interesting but strange or unique topics. You can review the terms on the site before submitting. Once ready, fill in the submission form, enter your PayPal details, they only pay via PayPal by the way, and submit your article. Now here is an easy way to create the article. Use ChatGPT to generate a new bizarre fact-based article under 1500 words. Just copy and paste it into the submission form, though I recommend tweaking it a little bit to make it more personal so that they can't detect it. Once submitted, Listverse will review it and if they approve, you'll get $100. The second website on our list is squadhelp.com. On SquadHelp, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $600 by participating in their contest. SquadHelp is the world's leading business naming platform where companies launching new ventures seek name suggestions. If your name idea wins, you can earn a significant amount of money. To join, simply hover over naming contest, click Become a Creative, and follow the prompts to sign up. Keep in mind that some contests require an entry fee, but if your name gets picked, it could be highly rewarding. Lastly, the third website is hatchwise.com, which is similar to SquadHelp, but it offers more ways to earn money. Here, in addition to naming businesses, you can also submit logo designs and earn anywhere between $50 to $250 per design or business name. There are always contests open, and you can even use AI tools like Canva to create logos quickly. If your design wins, you can earn a nice payout. And those are the 3 legitimate websites that will pay you for doing tasks or joining contests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also take advantage of these 3 websites.